Hi, tiny learners!
Today, we're going to be counting from 1 all the way to 20 with the help of my friendly dinosaurs.
Hi!
Are you ready to count with us?
Yes!
Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow! What amazing counting! Let's continue counting after our special dinosaur counting song.
See you after our song.
One little dino stomping through the trees. 2 little dinos munching on the leaves. 3 little dinos pouring with the roar. 4 little dinos running on the floor. Count the dinos. 1, 2, 3, learning numbers, it's easy as can be. Count the dinos. 4 and 5 in the land where dinosaurs thrive. 5 little dinos playing in the sun. 6 little dinos having so much fun. 7 little dinos swimming in a lake. 8 little dinos feeling wide awake. Count the dinos. 6, 7, 8, learning numbers, it's really great. Count the dinos. 9 and 10 in the land where dinosaurs grin. 9 little dinos climbing up a hill. 10 little dinos standing very still. 11 little dinos jumping all around. 12 little dinos making dino sounds. Count the dinos. 11, 12, learning numbers, it's really slow. Count the dinos. 13, 14 in the land where dinosaurs dream. 13 little dinos in a dino line. 14 little dinos feeling mighty fine. 15 little dinos dancing to the beat. 16 little dinos stomping their feet. Count the dinos. 15, 16, learning numbers in the dino scene. Count the dinos. 17, 18 in the land where dinosaurs gleam. 17 little dinos playing all day. 18 little dinos in the dino way. 19 little dinos having lots of fun. 20 little dinos in the dino sun. Count the dinos. 19, 20, learning numbers, we have plenty. Count the dinos all day long in the land where dinos belong. So let's cheer for dinos. 1 to 20, learning numbers, we've learned plenty. Counting dinos with a roar and a cheer. Dinosaurs are awesome, let's sing it clear.
Welcome back!
Welcome back!
Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell. We have lots of exciting videos for you. Hey dinosaurs!
Hey!
This time, I want all the tiny learners at home watching this video to shout out the numbers as loud as they can.
Tiny learners, shout as loud as you can.
Are you ready?
Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That was incredible counting. Well done!
Let's see if you can count a little faster.
Are you ready?
Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Tiny learners, you're doing an amazing job.
Yay!
Let's go faster.
Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That was super counting. What do you think, dinosaurs?
These tiny learners are amazing counters.
I hope you enjoyed counting with us.
Thanks for counting with us.
See you in the next video.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll
Goodbye.
see you in
Bye-bye.
our next
See you
video.
again soon.
Bye bye.